Stop using your jetted tub until you see this video, because this will save you a lot of headaches. A friend of mine went to a cabin. They rented this beautiful place and they wanted to use that jetted tub, for a nice romantic evening. And guess what? They got all infected with this bacteria that was living inside the jetted system. And this is because sometimes they just run the water, but they never care for cleaning the system inside. So I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take before you use the tub in your house or whenever you're renting a property to avoid all those infections. The first thing that you want to do is you want to use bleach. Bleach is a really good thing, the regular one that you use to clean all your clothes, and we want to make sure that we fill the tub to cover those jets. If they are facing up, you can push them down with your fingers, and that way the water won't splash out of the tub. But let it run for at least 20 minutes. Fill it up really well so you don't burn the system. That's a problem that a lot of people have, that they just think that a little bit of water will do it, and they end up burning the systems. So add, for this particular case, you want to use like 3 or 4 cups of bleach. You're never going to get into it. We want to make sure that we clean it really well, and you want to turn it on and make that jetted system run for a while. See, it has in the bottom, it has the intake, so it's gonna rotate, or it's gonna move the water constantly, and that way you can ensure that all the bleach is going inside and all the areas are being clean. And trust me, you're gonna see in a moment what happens after you run this with bleach. You start taking all the mold and all the stuff out of the system, and that's what's normally getting you sick. If you ever experience that, it's horrible, and I don't want you to have that issue. You can see all that foamy material that is coming out. That's because it's kind of pulling all that out. So once you let it run for about 15-20 minutes, you want to let it set for a little bit, and then you want to just flush it out. Clean the tub really well. Flush all the water out and clean it really well. And we want to make another pass. So the next pass is going to be, just clean everything and, run water again. We're going to do the same thing now, this time without the bleach. So you're going to fill it up to cover all the jets. And now without the bleach, you're going to just let it run for a while, about 5-10 minutes. And your system will be ready to start being used. And that's it. Just follow my channel, hit the little notification bell. I have a lot of information in Spanish and English, so you can take advantage and save a lot of money and a lot of headaches around your house. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.